Diamond 02, pam 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 pam. We have some strange noises and unsafe gear handle. Continuing straight ahead, 2,000 feet low speed.
Diamond 02, Roger, the 10-10 call is acknowledged. The Roger continue if you need any service calling.
Yeah, keep you posted. Diamond 02, stand by.
Diamond 02, do you want to contact tower?
Affirm, Diamond 02.
Diamond 02, Roger, contact tower 131.005.
131.005. Can we go to UHF channel 3?
UHF is fine.
Eindhoven tower met Diamond 02.
Diamond 02, Eindhoven, good day, copy the fan call, proceed outer downwind, Romeo 21 and report turning final.
Roger, turning right, outer downwind, Diamond 02. For the time being, request to maintain at 2,000 feet to investigate.
Yeah, approved, and confirm strange noises.
Affirm.
Roger. Papa Kilo Fox Tower, due to emergency in progress, expect to hold over at the field at 3,000.
Tower, Diamond 02.
Go ahead.
Diamond 02, the gear is selected down, the noise and vibrations are gone at this moment. Request to proceed to Woensrecht at altitude 3,000 feet.
Confirm to Woensrecht at 3,000.
Affirm.
Roger, left turn towards Woensrecht, approved, maintain 2,000 feet.
Left turn Woensrecht 2,000, Diamond 02.
Confirm precautionary landing at Woensrecht or normal ops?
Precautionary landing. We'd like to stop at the runway at Woensrecht and have the gear inspected by the fire brigade.
Yeah, Roger, will relay.
Thank you.
Papa Kilo Fox, copy, the Diamond is leaving.
Yeah, for the moment maintain 3,000. Diamond 02, Eindhoven.
Diamond 02, go ahead.
From IFR or VFR towards Woensrecht?
VFR is fine, Diamond 02.
Roger, squawk 3601, stand by for the switch.
3601, Diamond 02. Diamond 02 request.
Yeah, switch approved, channel 8 please.
Channel 8, Diamond 02.
I just got a message from the other Diamond at Eindhoven with a gear problem. Request to cancel IFR, request vectors inbound the other Diamond. IFR cancelled, to the right 090, Diamond 16.
Diamond 16, Diamond 02, for your info, flying 120 knots all the time.
Roger, 120 knots.
1602, you're cleared in close.
0216, Roger. As you know, I'm not formation opgeleid, dus ik doe het rustig aan.
Ja, Roger, doe het rustig aan. Mind the overspeed. We maken verder geen bochten, we blijven zo steady vliegen. 116 knopen, 2000 voet.
Roger, I'll join fingertip right.
Ja, Roger. Wellicht dat gear flaps voor jou wat meer stabiliteit biedt op deze snelheid. Decelerating 110 knots. Zie jij iets raars?
Nee, negative. Ik zie eigenlijk niks geks. Alle drie de gear gewoon volledig extend.
Kan je zien of de landing lights ook aanstaan?
Ja, toen ik net aan kon vliegen stonden ze allemaal aan.
En de nose gear met name, de deurtjes ook?
Deurtjes open, nose gear staat gewoon recht omlaag. Evenwijdig, parallel aan de afgear, bandjes allemaal heel.
Ja, want de nose gear moet eigenlijk een knikje naar voren hebben. Dus je zit niet volledig parallel met de main gear.
Nee, exact. Hij staat iets wat meer naar voren inderdaad, ja. Ja, 0216 bij de landingslampen staan gewoon aan.
A overhead brake for a normal landing at runway 25. Roger, Birds Alert, we'll go Diamond 02. And Diamond 02 after all request a straight in landing runway 25. Affirm. And after landing request to stop on the runway to have our gear inspected by a fire brigade. We'll go Diamond 02 with the information we have 3 green, so we do not expect any problems, but we like to be safe.